role model is the Prophet.
Peace and blessings upon the Prophet.
Better recognize his name is Muhammad.
Recognize that his name Muhammad.
I would be lost if I didn't find him. I would be lost and so misguided.
If you're Muslim, everybody sing along.
Allah, salli ala Muhammad, sallu ala Muhammad. Allah, sallu ala Muhammad, sallu ala Muhammad.
Salli ala Muhammad.
Medina, oh nana, I pray you take me to Medina, oh Allah. Oh ya Rasul anta Maulana, oh nana, I pray you take me to Medina. My heart is in Medina,
Once upon a time it was just known as Yathrib. 7th century he made the hijrah for that message. He arrived, everyone rejoiced, he was accepted. The Ansar celebrated, vowed to protect him. Ya Rasulullah, you're the one our hearts connect to. Love you like Bilal did, radiyallahu anhu. The connection's so strong, and though I haven't met you, I'ma pray, I'ma see you in my dream one day. One day, I'm following your sunnah because that's the one way. If I have you in my heart, I can never complain. No, 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 you're in my soul. It's like you're standing next to me. You're in our hearts and you live amongst the spiritual. And I'm praying I can carry on your legacy. Waiting for the day I'm in that shit I never will. In Medina.